Hi, this is CZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to transfer a copy of your information on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. You're in control of your information on Instagram. You can view your account information or download a copy of your information on Instagram at any time. If you want a copy of everything you've shared on Instagram, you can download your data like this. I will show you how to do it, how to transfer a copy of your information on your Instagram account. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can tap on your profile. Tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. You can tap on Account Center. On Account Settings, you can tap on Your Information and Permissions. You can tap on that. Now you can tap on Transfer a copy of your information. You can tap on that. You can choose account that you want to transfer a copy of your information. You can choose, I will choose this account. And you can select information, choose to transfer a copy of all of or just some of the information that you've created on Instagram. I will just if you want to transfer the information you create and that's displayed on your profile or archive, all of your stories and posts, you can choose this. You can tap on all of your stories and posts, but if you want choose what you want to transfer based on a range of date. You can tap on some of your stories and posts. I will choose some of my stories and posts on Instagram here, not all the information. I will choose some of them. Now you can tap on next. You can select what you want to copy and transfer based on a range of dates. Only certain types of information can be transferred. You can choose if you want to transfer stories and posts. You can activate the toggle for the stories and the posts. But if you only want stories, you can unactivate the toggle for the posts. But if you want to only want the post, you can unactivate the stories toggle. I will just transfer my post, and this includes photos, video, reels, and carousels that you've uploaded as a post. And now you can choose the that range that you want to transfer from the start, that range, and you can set here and the end date. I will just use the default setting like this. Now you can tap on save. You can tap on next. You can choose destination. After you select a destination, you will need to verify your account. I will choose Google Photos. Now you can, Google Photos will ask you to log in and then confirm this transfer. You can tap on connect. Now you can choose your account, email, tap on continue, and can wait, and you can start the transfer. When you start the transfer to Google Photos, Instagram will provide a way for you to follow its progress. Once Google Photo has arrived your transfer, they will apply their own terms and policies to your information. Now you can start transfer. Tap on start the transfer. You can enter your password. Now you can tap on continue. And now you've started a transfer to Google Photos. It may take some time to finish your transfer, so Instagram will let you know when it finishes. You can view the transfer progress, and if you want to see the transfer progress here, Instagram will tell you if it's done, if the transfer has finished. So you just need to wait. Now you can tap on done, and you will get notification after you Google Photos will send you notification after the transfer finish. So that is how to transfer a copy of your Instagram information. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.